Hello everyone, welcome back to another problem tutorial from our Chapter 5 Problem Tutorials series for Financial Management course, BUS 223. In this video we're going to be looking at problem number 24, which says a property will provide $10,000 a year forever if its value is $125,000. What must be the discount rate for this amount? Okay. Now, again, the question is clearly talking about a perpetuity. The key word here is that we're going to generate a cash flow of $10,000 a year forever, right? So we're going to refer back to our perpetuity formula, which says present value equals cash flow divided by the discount rate or the rate of return, okay? We can change our formula around to become or to have the discount rates on its own on one side by dividing or by multiplying both sides by R and then dividing both sides by present value, which means we're going to get R equals cash flow divided by the present value. Okay? After rearranging our formula, all we need to do is just substitute for the values that we have in the question. So we know that the cash flow is $10,000 a year and the present value is $125,000, right? So that means R is going to equal $10,000 divided by $125,000. Using a calculator, 10,000 divided by 125,000, that is a discount rate of 0.08, which is equal to 8%. So the answer to the question, what must be the discount rate? The discount rate is 8%. That's it for this problem. It's pretty straightforward. If you still have any questions, feel free to drop them down in the comments. And until I see you in another problem tutorial, keep on learning, and I wish you the best of luck. Take care.